Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, market has recovered in a very good way today, which many people were not expecting, but it is up almost a percent. Bank Nifty is up 1% and Nifty is up 60%, 0.60%. So this is basically a sideways zone. Okay, I'll be very clear with you guys. As we discussed here, we had zones marked here. This was a zone which was marked. I quoted this as sideways, and that is what's happening again. It is stuck. Market is stuck. It has to breach few levels for it to go down or up. Okay, so this zone is kind of very tricky. So don't be trading options. Stick to cash market, and whatever profits you have booked or whatever loss you have booked, it's totally fine. We are definitely going to have more swing tradings. Okay, and I have 5 fresh stocks for you guys. So let's see what are our levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the swings. Okay, so if you guys see, let me just get rid of all this. Okay, so this is a clear one. I'll analyze here and show you guys. If you guys see, this was a trend line. Yeah, this was a resistance base which was formed. Okay, this is a base. From this base, it took this down. Yeah, it took this down and it started coming. So we had this trend line. Yeah, we had this trend line which was very clear. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, you'll be able to see this trend line. This is a very clear trend line. Yeah, a very clear trend line. There are two or more touches. See, some people draw trend line like this, some people draw it like this, but trust me guys, every time you can't be drawing new trend lines. You have to stick to the trend lines which actually makes sense. Okay, this trend line makes a lot of sense to me, and we have missed this. It's totally fine. Now what is happening and what is the scene? How are we going to trade this market? If you guys see, this is a zone where market is stuck. This proper, you are able to see it's not going up not down. Okay, this zone is proper, like it's not going up or down. So here buying or selling both the ways, it's risky. So make this as a support and a resistance. Make this a support and resistance. That is, this is a support, this is a resistance. Okay, market should breach below this or go above this. So these are the two potential places for me to buy at least. So where will I be buying? Let me tell you guys very clearly. If it crosses 21,820 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy, and my target will be at 22,025, or let's keep it like 22,040. Okay, this will be my target. Downside, it has to cross the specific. See, there are a lot of support in this zones. If you guys see, this is a support, this is a support. There are a lot of support in the zones which are obvious. We are able to see it. These are supports. These are very good supports which we can see. This support has to be breached and it has to come down. Okay, here post this. So a safest trade will be here. That is 21,560 and below. If the market is going for selling, always remember, selling happens fast. It does not happen slow. Market selling happens very fast. See the difference. I will prove you. See the candle, red candle sizes. See the green candle sizes. So always selling happens quick. So if we capture on the top, it's well and good. So today we did not get any opportunity. I did not trade anything today. It's because I was out. That was the only reason. It was not like I got my opportunity and not trade. I was out, so I was unable to trade today. But my swing trading stock, yes, one trade I exited because it hit my SL, but then it recovered very good. I rushed it into it, so it's totally fine. So this is my level. So 21,820 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy. I'll be selling only post 21,560. Okay, so these are very clear. If it comes to my level, I'm trading or I'm not. I'm totally fine not losing money. Not losing money is also making money in market. And this, guys, this is a very clear picture. Okay, this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you guys see how many touches are here, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a 4. I'm sorry. 4. Breakout down. Now, which will be the ideal place for me to buy? I'll show you a confluence here. Okay, so this is a confluence. This is a confluence, and this is a high. Above this, I'll be looking forward to buy. Very simple. Trendline break, retest. If retest survive, well and good, or it can continue down. It can continue. If it breaches below this, I'll be selling it. Which is below this, we'll be selling it. It's that simple. Let's not complicate it at all. It's very simple. We have complicated trading. It's not a rocket science. So stick to your plan. So I will be selling below 44,700 and below. I'll be buying post 45,760 and above. Okay, so these are my levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next, let's see US oil. US oil, we entered here, SL got hit, this trade got closed. Again, we entered here, SL was below this, 45 points. Target is this. So now we are on a sideways market. What will happen is market will slowly will go like this, and then give a breakout. So let's wait for the breakout. So I'm not adding any new positions here. So my position which I entered, my stop loss got hit. Again, I've entered at $77.25 and my stop loss at $76.81. Okay, so this is where my stop loss is, below this swing. This was the swing below that. 45 points. Yeah, that's it. So this is for US oil. I'll be buying. After that, my next buying will be post $79, okay, or $78.95 and above. Next is gold. Gold was we were very unlucky today. Look at the fall. My stop loss was little closer, so it just my stop loss, and this big candle just came down. This is totally fine. All this happens in market. These are funny stuff which happens in market. So we have to be, but we'll wait. Again here, market might give me another opportunity. So this trade is done. I'm looking forward to trade here on a pullback. I'm expecting this candle. It has already given a pullback, so I might enter here, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, it's a small stop loss. I know it's a small stop loss. There is an immediate target here. 1:4. Yeah, good. So I have just a minute. Let me short it. So I've shorted it in gold. Shorted 200. Yes, shorted. So I have shorted at 2,002.365. Okay. So and my stop loss is at 2,008. I just set my stop loss and my target. No, stop loss and my entry. So I've entered here. This is a very big candle. There is still selling pressure. So let's wait for it. We are not buying because this trend line did not get breached. That is the only reason we are not buying. Okay, and we have 4 stocks for swing trading. Let's get to that. First one is Salona. What happened today? It hit my stop loss. That was this big candle hit my stop loss. But look at this, guys. It did not close. It did not close below. Okay, it has closed above. And this is not a very what to say. This is not a very strong selling candle. So tomorrow, if I get a price of 330, 350 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 324. Okay, so this is for this stock. Next is Reddington Hotel. Many stocks have recovered, guys. Reddington Hotel is also at its very good resistance has been broken. It has survived. So if I get a price of 199 and above, 199 or 200 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 185. Next is SMS Pharmaceuticals. SMS Pharmaceutical. This is a very clear resistance. Above resistance, I started trading. This looks like a very big stop loss. Yes, but please play with the quantity so you won't miss the trades. Okay, this is the resistance. So if I get an opportunity to enter at 149 to 150 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 133 rupees to 130. Okay, next is Birla Corp. This is a resistance on a weekly time frame. Okay, it was on sideways market for almost just a minute, almost for 630 days, and after that it's given a breakout, consolidation, now break. It is at a very good resistance level, which has been breached already. So tomorrow on a daily candle, I want to see a positive candle for me to enter. If I get a price of 1650 to 1685, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 1610. Okay, that is 1610. Next is Coal India. We are already holding this. We are holding it from somewhere here. After this, it has breached its all-time high today. Okay, its all-time high has been breached. So this can also be marked here. Great. So I want a strong candle above 453 and above. I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 430. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. This is just my plans of the market for upcoming days. This is my plans for upcoming days in the market. Just play a little cautious with the quantity. I'll be adding the risk management sheet also again in this video, so please use that. Don't enter with full quantity, at least till the market is a bit stabilized. Enter if you're always in taking a risk of 2000, try taking a risk of 750 to 1000 or even 500 works. Don't take too much of risk. Don't take full risk now. Let the market give a proper direction, then we can enter with the full potential. Okay, so thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.